Hi, my name is Memphis Hixon. I am a third year in the Precision Machining Technology program. I was working a job, I was making good money, but it's just not where I wanted to be. I had nowhere to climb, nowhere to go. I came here to this tech school to find success and work towards that success. You are always in the shop. You have to earn your right into the classroom, because in the classroom, that's where you program, that's where you do everything on the CNC side. So with machining, you can make absolutely anything you want. Aerospace parts, oil field parts, car parts. It has so much creative freedom in it. So last year we made a guitar for sophomore tours. I did really fall in love with this, and I had no idea I would end up like this. Every single day you're out here and you're learning to keep pushing, keep moving on. End goal career-wise would be mainly in the automotive section for machining. So either having my own shop making rims, turbos, superchargers, things like that. Landing a spot on the F1 team and manufacturing the parts for those F1 cars would be a really big dream come true. The workforce needs a lot of career-ready students to go out into the workforce and be ready. That sets you up for success in being able to come in as a second year and run machines and learn programming, G-code, and really making whatever kind of projects you want. It's an awesome program.